Do you want to remove or disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram? You can unlink your accounts with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove a Facebook account from Instagram account. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Removing a Facebook account from Instagram means unlinking your two accounts or disconnecting them. This action can be taken if you no longer wish to have your Facebook account associated with your Instagram profile. To remove your Facebook account from Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu options. From the menu, find and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Account Center or Meta Center. Tap on it. Within Account Center or Meta Center, locate and tap on Accounts. You'll see a list of accounts linked to your Instagram. Find your Facebook account in the list. From the left side of your Facebook account name, tap on Remove to disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram. From here, tap on Remove Account to unlink your Facebook account on Instagram. Now, confirm your decision to remove the Facebook account by tapping the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Once confirmed, Instagram will prompt you with a final confirmation message. Tap on Yes, remove your account name to finalize the removal process. Once you remove your Facebook account from Instagram, it will not delete your Facebook account itself. It simply removes the connection between the two platforms. By following these simple steps, you can successfully unlink your Facebook account from Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.